Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to turn on auto download for videos in the WhatsApp app on your PC. This feature ensures that videos sent to you are automatically downloaded, saving you time and effort. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your PC. You can either use the desktop app or access WhatsApp web through your browser. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chats and settings menu on the left-hand side. Next, look for the gear icon in the left side menu. This is your settings button. Click on it to open the settings menu, where you can customize various features of WhatsApp. In the settings menu, find and click on the option labeled Storage. This section allows you to manage how media files like photos, videos, and documents are handled by WhatsApp. Once inside the storage section, locate the Videos option under the Media Auto Download Preferences. Check this box to enable automatic downloading of videos. By doing so, all videos sent to you will be downloaded automatically without requiring manual action. And that's it. You've successfully turned on auto download for videos in WhatsApp on your PC. With this feature enabled, you won't miss any important video content shared with you. Thank you for watching. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials. See you next time.